Okay, last color, standard lavender. Okay, this one has a very little nozzle, very thin, but again, I'm seeing that it's a rare exception and not the standard, which I'm very grateful for. And again, that might be part of their process and how they actually roll the balloons down their straws when they're making them. Okay, so it's definitely more vibrant than their one that I just used. The again, the floral, but it's not as dark as I was kind of hoping their darkest one would be. Maybe there's another purple that I'm not aware of that I didn't see when ordering, but if there's one more shade darker, then I'd be really happy with that purple. I just think it's more the middle of the triad of colors than the darker one. Yeah, I don't have any in here of the Qualtex purple. Oh, maybe I do. There we go. See, to me, this is what a purple, dark purple should look like. And if Deco has a dark purple in that family, that would be a lovely, lovely combo. I'd be really happy. These out, and let's look at how they all go together.